I've got a little bit of time today, so I'm going for a walk along Bondi Beach. I'm going for a lovely walk along the Bondi coast. I did see a friend this morning and then I was going to do something else but it fell through, so I thought, oh okay, I'll just stay in Bondi and go for a walk. And it's one of the most spectacular places you can walk in Sydney. The sea is so beautiful. There is wildlife everywhere. It's like little twittery birds. And the air is so fresh. I thoroughly recommend. And also it's threatening to rain, so it's really quiet. Usually there's just tourists all over this walk, but it's quiet. Also because it's a Monday. You can just see out forever and ever.